This text you are reading is called Water-Wise Landscaper. It's an interview with a landscape designer who specializes in creating natural environments in desert areas. So what you're going to do while you read is to write at least 3 thoughts in the margins. They can be connections, questions, words you wonder about, etc. You could think about what is the author's purpose? Are they trying to inform us about something or persuade us about something? Oftentimes in informational text, those are the most common things that they are trying to do. So see if you can figure out where they might be informing versus where they might be persuading us about something. At the end, you're going to write about why do you think Michelle Paco Seymour wants people to be aware of what kinds of gardens and yards they plant, and give at least one detail to support your answer. So, yes, it's an opinion. Why do you think she wants people to be aware? But I do want you to use the text to help you make an inference about that. Things to think about when you're making connections. Remember, you can do text to self, so to your own life, text to the world, to events that are happening. Maybe you've heard about droughts or places that don't get as much water, so people have to be careful about the things they plant in their yard. You could connect it to other texts. If you think about words that you're not sure about, remember you can use different types of context clues to help you figure out what the words mean. Just a couple of options as you're writing in the margins. And then again, answer the question why you think she wants people to be aware of the things they're planting. All right. As always, if you need help, let me know. Make sure you do all the parts that I'm asking you to do and give it your very best effort. Good luck.